Ate. Ang akin. O, go. Asa na? Oh, where did you put it na? Dito. Tignan mo dito. Yung roller, asa na?
The water?
Oh.
That's okay. Don't use the water.
You don't wanna use the roller na?
Because you might gonna use my cheeks so red. Like my face last day.
Asa mo nilagay yung roller ko?
It's with you, oh.
Oh, how to use that? Pakita mo kay tata how to use that roller.
If you put the lotion,
Say mo, tata, look at me.
look at me, oh.
Bigyan mo dito, tata. Huwag
Tata,
tama na lotion, okay na yun.
look at me, oh. When you put the lotion, put like this.
Wow! Can I have that one?
Well, you have to come to my house, and tomorrow you're gonna come back again.
Oh my god, I have no money.
Well, we had to pass across, so now I gonna come to you, and when you're gonna pass across, you're gonna come to me. Well, I don't have friends.
You give me some money so I can go there to your house.
You have to pass across.
Or use it to your face. When you're talking like that, yeah.
Relax. Is that for this?
Ouchie yan, spiky yan eh. Yung isang ano lang, smooth ano lang, side.
Smooth?
Oh, that is for ano, cheeks. Ay nako, niroll mo na naman sa dirty ano eh. Ate. Kala mo artista. Alis na ba kayo? Na-message si Jimmy?
Na-message ko na ako, ayan, nag-reply na siya. Sige, wait lang.
Are you done?
Oh. Ano nangyari sa bangs mo? Hiwa-hiwalay na.
Mamaya i-message kita kung magkano yung nakuha kong sasakyan.
Oo.
Tapos pag pwede naman akong
Okay, na-stick na?
taxi na lang pauwi.
Alin?
Put this away.
Sasakyan, pwede rin.
Hatid lang, ganon?
You need to put this away.
Hindi, mabait naman yun.
Baka intayin ka na nun.
Alam mo yung nilalapit na kay Sebe, si Sonet, yung maputi na babae naman, maliit na
This
malaki
one
titi.
goes
Yung dating
into
naging
that.
jowa ni Aloha.
Ah, oo. Oo. Oo.
Yung asawa nun, meron sila Pinky.
Oh.
Well,
Naging jowa
how
niya.
does use this?
Di mo alam?
Like a pill.
Wala na ba din sila, ano?
Ay, Dano,
Sino ba
babi
yung
na,
inanti
babi
mo
na.
dati
Oh.
ng MT?
Bye-bye.
Yung dating